The 2026 Honda CB750 Hornet E-Clutch reinforces Honda's dominant position in the middleweight street fighter class by marrying thrilling parallel twin performance with game-changing drivetrain technology. Designed to eliminate stall anxiety in urban gridlock without stripping away the tactile joy of manual shifting on winding back roads, this updated naked bike strikes a balance between everyday practicality, accessible ergonomics, and high-revving excitement. By integrating Honda's innovative electronic clutch control directly into the lightweight 755 cubic centimeters Hornet platform, Honda has crafted one of the most versatile, user-friendly, and engaging street bikes available to both novice riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Design and ergonomics. The CB750 Hornet keeps its aggressive, angular street fighter aesthetic intact, highlighted by sharp bodywork, a sport-oriented stance, and a distinctive front headlight housing. Despite its athletic presence, the motorcycle remains remarkably approachable. A slim midsection paired with a manageable 31.3-inch, 795mm seat height allows riders of varying heights to plant their feet firmly on the ground at full stops. The riding position strikes an ideal middle ground between upright daily comfort and active sportiness, featuring slightly wide handlebars that provide excellent leverage through tight maneuvers. Overall build quality, paint fit, and switchgear tactile feel adhere strictly to Honda's high manufacturing standards. In terms of long-distance usability, the sculpted fuel tank contours allow the rider's knees to tuck in tightly, offering natural leverage during aggressive lean angles while reducing wind fatigue on the lower body. The step up to the pillion seat provides modest lower back support for the pilot, though long-distance passenger accommodations remain somewhat spare, as expected for a middleweight naked machine. Overall, the cockpit layout feels uncluttered, ensuring essential controls remain intuitively within thumb's reach. Features and technology. At the center of the Hornet's cockpit sits a crisp 5-inch full-color TFT display that offers seamless smartphone integration via Honda RoadSync for turn-by-turn navigation, call handling, and music playback. Rider assists are managed through throttle-by-wire, which delivers 5 distinct riding modes, 3 factory presets, and 2 fully customizable user modes. These settings allow adjustments to power delivery, engine braking, and Honda's selectable torque control, HSDC, traction management. Furthermore, riders can customize the E-Clutch system's shift feeling across 3 operational levels: soft, medium, or hard. Beyond the core electronics, Honda equips the Hornet with an emergency stop signal (ESS) function that automatically flashes the rear hazard lights during sudden, severe braking to alert trailing motorists. All lighting components utilize bright LEDs, providing sharp nighttime illumination and distinct daytime presence. The switchgear layout on the left handlebar features a simple 4-way toggle switch, making menu navigation through the TFT screen intuitive even while wearing thick riding gloves. Engine and transmission performance. Heartbeat duties belong to Honda's lively 755 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Unicam parallel twin engine, generating 90.5 horsepower and 55.3 lb-ft of torque. Utilizing a 270-degree crankshaft firing order and a gear-driven counterbalancer, the engine delivers a pulse and low-end torque characteristics reminiscent of a V-twin, accompanied by a deep exhaust note and minimal unwanted vibration. The highlight of the 2026 iteration is the standard Honda E-Clutch system integrated into the 6-speed transmission. Utilizing electric actuator motors and electronic engine control, the system automatically manages clutch engagement during starting, stopping, and up or downshifting. Riders can come to a complete standstill in gear and pull away simply by opening the throttle. No clutch lever input required. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, the mechanical clutch lever remains present and fully functional. Grabbing the lever immediately returns total manual override to the rider. When riding aggressively through technical road sections, the E-Clutch functions with uncanny smoothness, executing instantaneous seamless shifts up and down the gear range without disturbing the chassis balance. Because the system actively blips the throttle and manages clutch slip faster than humanly possible, mid-corner gear adjustments feel remarkably stable, giving riders extra confidence on unknown asphalt. Handling and suspension. tipping the scales at a lightweight 432 pounds, 196 kilograms. Curb weight, the Hornet feels nimble and effortless to throw into corners. Its chassis foundation consists of a lightweight steel diamond frame, supported by non-adjustable 41mm show a separate function fork big piston, SFFBP, inverted front forks, and a ProLink rear monoshock damper. Damping is tuned to maintain stability during spirited cornering while filtering out harsh road imperfections. Dual 296mm front discs bitten by radial-mounted 4-piston calipers, backed by standard dual-channel ABS, delivers strong stopping power with predictable lever feedback. The chassis architecture yields agile turn-in response with minimal steering input required at the handlebars. Through fast sweepers, the Showa front end communicates road surface conditions clearly back to the rider's hands, preventing flex or vagueness under hard trail braking. The rear suspension includes 7-stage spring preload adjustability, allowing riders to easily tune the chassis geometry when carrying luggage or a passenger. Fuel consumption. Fuel economy remains a strong point for the 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin mill, with an average real-world fuel consumption around 50 to 55 miles per gallon. For 0.3 L/100 km, the Hornet turns its 4.0-gallon, 15.2-liter fuel tank into a practical riding range of over 200 miles between fill-ups, making it an efficient companion for daily highway commutes or long weekend outings. Pros and cons. Pros. E-clutch technology eliminates stalling in heavy traffic while retaining full manual override options. Punchy's 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine offers strong mid-range drive and an engaging character. Lightweight chassis paired with comfortable ergonomics delivers confidence-inspiring handling. Comprehensive electronics package including TFT display, ride modes, and traction control. Cons. E-clutch motor housing projects noticeably on the right side of the engine case. Rear-view mirror positioning sits relatively narrow, restricting rearward field of view. Minimal wind protection at high speeds, typical of the unfaired naked bike class. Price. The 2026 Honda CB750 Hornet E-Clutch maintains an aggressive value proposition with a starting base MSRP of $7,999 in North American markets, approximately £7,549 in the UK. Given the inclusion of advanced electronic rider aids, premium TFT instrumentation, and automated clutch technology, it stands as one of the most cost-effective and fully featured mid-capacity naked bikes on the market today.